Hello you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. There's two things you need to know about this video. One, I've actually used these tools. I've been using them for the past 2 weeks. I haven't just taken them out the box and then showing you how good they are and suggesting you buy them. That would be wrong. Two, they're not affiliate links. I get nothing if you purchase these, but I honestly, truly recommend them to you. Let me show you why. So, as you can see, I got the 4-piece MethodRC Hex driver set, the 1.5, the 2, the 2.5, and the 3mm. The reason why I think these are so good and worth the price tag of $29.99 US. Yes, I know they are expensive compared to the likes of these that you can pick up at AliExpress for very cheap. I have had these for 3 years. They do the job. But there was two things that irritated the crud out of me the whole time. One, they're so small, the handles are so small, so you can't get any grip on it. Several times, as you see, you've got the gashes taken out there. I've had to use a tool to actually be able to have the leverage to turn it round. And two, look at shaft length. Gentlemen, we all know you need a good long shaft length. And look at the difference in that. I mean, there is simply no competition. And just to point that out, I tried to, I'm gonna have to turn this around because obviously it flips to the rear. So let me do this. If you see all the way down here, we have the bolt that I wish to take out right now. So I take this one, I put it in, and look, I actually had to put this here because it was rubbing. I didn't put it very good on location wise, but it was rubbing as I'm doing this. However, ta-da, he takes number 2, I believe it is. And look at that, look at the shaft length. But most importantly, the grip. The grip, ladies and gents. Sorry about it being scuffed up. As I said, I have used it. Why is that wiggling around? Stop. I'm sorry if you've been wiggling for the past 5 minutes, the likes of. You can see it's scuffed up. I have been using them. I've absolutely loved what they're capable of. They're supplied to me by MethodRC, so thank you to them for sending them to me. They did also kindly send me some wheels and tires for the Armour Felony that we're going to have some fun with on a later video. Do you know, this video doesn't have to be long because at the end of the day, it's all about, do they work? Do they solve a problem? Do they help? Or are they a bit of a hindrance on occasions? And I can say wholeheartedly, after all of the people that have sent all of the comments to me saying, what tools do you use? And I embarrassingly send them a link for these, that these are pretty good. And honestly, I'll be honest with you, I haven't reviewed others, I haven't bought others because they are expensive. I know they're expensive for what they are. $29.99 US, $29.99 euros for what they were when I placed the order for them. And are they worth it? Yes, they are. They genuinely are. I would spend the 30 on it, and I'm a tight ass, quite frankly. I try to not spend money on anything, or if I do, I always go for the cheapest thing. But I have also been looking for a quality set of these because so many times I've managed to chew up some bolt head by these skipping. These because I can't get the grip or the angle because I'm trying to go in at the wrong angle, where I'm hoping that these will be better. When it comes to RC cars, obviously, you may have a situation where you have to go all the way through past suspension, the likes of, especially on the bigger cars. So having a set like that is very, very sort of helpful and useful, but they've obviously thought it through. It's not too long either, because there is a situation where the length is just too long. It's obviously how you use it. And if I'm all the way out here, and he says on this camera, all the way out here, it's going to take me 25 minutes to line up that screw head. So they have thought about it. It is long enough, in my opinion, and it is the right length. So, can I recommend these to you, ladies and gentlemen? 100%. Would I buy them myself with my own sponduli? 100%. In fact, if they won't kindly send me some new in the future when they were, if they break, then I will purchase my own, because I know the quality of these are very good indeed. So there you go, little Christmas tip for you. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, stay safe, take care. Bye bye.